Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrency on Scallop Exchange. Scallop Exchange is a simple and intuitive platform for spot trading, futures, options trading, margin trading with up to 125x leverage, and other DeFi tools allowing you to trade and invest in some of the world's best performing digital assets. It's completely safe. By the way, if you haven't signed up on the Scallop Exchange, check video description to register. Alright, let's open the app. Here's how Scallop Exchange looks like. Below, you will see menu tabs such as Home, Markets, Trade, Contract, and Balance button. To deposit or withdraw crypto on your account, make sure you're under Balance. Here, you will see your total balance. Under, you will see Deposit, Withdraw, Transfer, and Transactions button. To deposit crypto on your account from other wallet or exchange, tap on Deposit. Here, you can scroll down to look for the token or type on the search bar to look for it. Let me pick SCLP or Scallop token. Select the chain name. Under, you can scan or save the QR code or copy your wallet address here. Please remember, do not recharge any non-SCLP BSC assets to the above address, otherwise, the assets will not be retrieved. Next is to go to your external wallet. In my case, I will use my KuCoin to transfer SCLP token. Paste your deposit address here from Scallop Exchange. Make sure it's the same network chain. Input the amount. Withdrawal fee will be 1 SCLP. Once all is set, you tap on withdraw and proceed with the process. Let's try a different token. Let me use USDT. Select the chain name you want to use. I usually use TRC20 for fast and cheap transfer. Under, you can scan or save QR code or copy the address to deposit. Please remember, do not recharge any non-USDT TRC20 assets to the above address. Otherwise, the assets will not be retrieved. Copy your deposit address. Go to your external wallet. Paste your deposit address here. Select the same network chain. I will use TRC20. Input the amount. The withdrawal fee for USDT TRC20 is always $1. Once done, click on withdraw and proceed with the process. This time, let me show you how to withdraw your crypto on Scallop Exchange. Make sure you're under Balance tab again. Click Withdraw. Here, you will see your available assets that you can withdraw. In my case, I only have SCLP tokens, so let me pick it. Select the chain name you want to use. Go to your external wallet. Make sure you select the same chain. Copy the deposit address. Go back to Scallop Exchange. Paste your deposit address here. Input the withdrawal amount. Under, you will see the transaction and daily limit as well as the fee. Once decided, you tap on Confirm and proceed with the process. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.